Hi, my name is Taylor Morton, and I'm the Director of Environmental Health and Education at We Act for Environmental Justice. We Act's mission is to build healthy communities by supporting communities of color and lower income communities in their pursuit of environmental justice and resolution from environmental and climate injustices through policies, environmental health, and community organizing. So we have a program at We Act called the EHJLT, which is the Environmental Health and Justice Leadership Training. So EHJLT has been around for about 20 years. We first were able to work on this program with adults and really understanding that we want folks to be involved in our campaigns and we want folks to be involved in our work as leaders. But sometimes we need to provide education and support around skills and leadership development. In about 8 years into the work, we were really thinking about what does this mean to do this work with youth? Understanding that some of the education that we get in schools may not really lend itself to environmental justice and climate justice issues specifically. In this program, we work with students over a 2-month period. And so the first week of our program, we were working with students in the classroom. And so we use the content and the curriculum that we have that already exist to teach students about different topics. And the first is sort of a foundation on environmental justice and climate justice. And all of the rest of the topics really depend on teacher curriculum and student interest. After a week of education, EHJLT participants take some time with their teacher to really hone in on what they want their project or capstone to be. So they will have about a month or so to focus in on a project related to one of the topics that we've discussed in the EHJLT Week of Learning and the Expo, where students have an opportunity to engage with other community members who may be adults or folks who are academics or experts in the field to get feedback on their projects. Throughout the course of our journey through the Youth EHJLT, we've been able to educate over 300 students. Students have an opportunity to really focus in on something that they care about and take ownership over the work and over making a difference in their communities.